Hi, this is Rachelle with Journal Life's Journey, and I have a package here from TEMU. This is a very small haul, but someone in my Discord over on Patreon shared some photos of some tapes that they had picked up from TEMU. They kind of gave us the information because I was really interested. I love the tapes. So, in addition to the one she shared, I also found some more. So, let's take a look and see what I got. I'm gonna go ahead and take all of them out of the wrapper so that I won't have to rattle so much. All right, so I have 7 rolls. Let's start with this one. Probably should have took the outer covers off too. They sure don't make them easy to get into. All right, oh, look at that. Let's try this. So that's what that one looks like. And does it repeat? Where does it repeat at? Let's move this over. So it repeats there. So this is the full scene. These are not individual stickers, so you have to cut them apart, I think. Yes. Um, yeah, you just cut off what you want and then peel it off of the acetate backing. Isn't that pretty? And it's not just like plain old boring stickers. All right, let's open this one up. I'm going to open up these first few that have these wrappers on them. All right, here we go. So that one was blue. This one is black. And let's see, where does it? Okay. And it's basically the same. It repeats kind of the same way. But this is what it looks like. I have to turn my head to look at the screen to make sure I'm getting everything in camera and frame. So that's why my voice kind of trails off. Sorry about that. Maybe one day I'll find a way to put this monitor in front of me instead of off to the side. Have to work on it. Okay, then this is the last difficult one. Oh, I took the tape off the wrong way that time. Yikes. Okay, I'll put it back on the right way. So this is a pink one. It's like pink and burgundies. Oh, can't see it because of the glare. And I can't really tell. Oh yeah, there it repeats right there. Okay. All right, so that is that one. All right, hopefully these are a little easier to deal with. Yes. Yes. All right. Now, are these individual stickers? They kind of feel like it. No, it's not. But they are just as pretty. This is blues and white with a little pink added in. Is that gray? It's like a grayish blue. Let's see, where does it repeat? We get all of that, and it still hasn't repeated. Wow. It may not repeat. I don't want to unravel it all, but yeah, you get quite a bit, and it's not repeating. How cool is that? All right, so I was just looking at the back because I was hoping that the design showed through. It would be nice to laminate these and like use them for clear pockets or dashboards or slides, so specimen slides. That would be nice. All right, here it is. Let's do another floral. This looks the same. Did I order 2 of the same? I might have. Yep, it is the same. I must have picked up 2 by accident, but it's okay because it's hard to come by flowers of these colors. Yeah, those are really nice, and I'm pretty sure that's a blue. I have to look at my order and see if I did that. Alright, so this is the one with the girls. I think this is the one that I saw in the Discord. Look at that. I don't want it to get stuck to the paper. These are so pretty. I'm gonna keep that from getting stuck and go all the way. Right. So yeah, I don't think these repeat either. Look at that. I'm gonna take all of them off so you get the general idea of the gorgeousness. And they have accessories and florals that go with them. So it's not just the dolls, you have florals and other elements around them that you can cut out and use as well. These are nice. All right, this is the last one. I don't think this is the same. Is it? Yeah, it is. I think I vaguely remember getting two because I thought they were so beautiful. So, my inking brush got caught up. Look at that. These are the same. Yeah. These are so nice. The only thing I don't like is the glossiness. So some of these, even though they're on that glossy acetate, once you take them off, the actual image is matte. But I don't think that's the case here. Yeah, no, they're still kind of glossy. That's the only thing I don't like, and it's only because when you take pictures, it's hard to get a good photo. Or, as you can see when I'm filming, it's hard to get a good angle so that you don't see all the glossy. But that is it. Those are the tapes that I ordered. I'll try to link to everything in the description box below. Let me know what you think. I think these are gorgeous, and I think I can use these in journals, and I probably will. And just so you know, any Temu videos that I put up, I am not sponsored. I don't use the app. I only order through the browser, and I only use PayPal to order. I don't use a credit card or anything like that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll holla at y'all next time. Bye.